Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Keith's 60 Hotshot Adventures. And we're working on an '03 Chevy with the 5.3 V8. It's getting plugs, wires, and a starter. So for this, we'll keep it short. I already put the starter in, but these starters don't come out. They come out pretty easy. First things first, coming through the fender well. If you have small hands, you can probably fit your hand right through the hole there. Otherwise, you're going to have to pull out the pins around the fender and then just peel it back halfway. And then once you do, down there you see the big wire right there. It's a 13 millimeter. Undo that, because if you don't do that first from this point, it's almost impossible to get the starter out. I mean, you probably can, but you're going to fight with that wire the entire time. Because you got the transmission line, and you have the oil dipstick behind it. So now we're under it, passenger side looking forward. Here, unplug this. I just used a pick or a screwdriver. Just pop up, there's a little tab in here. Pull the tab up and then slide it out. And then it's got two bolts, 13 millimeter each for those. And then once you get it out, and then hold on, wiggle it out, bring it straight down. On the back is the small wire that goes to the Bendex, the solenoid that actually makes the starter kick on. It's an 8 millimeter. And then just reverse the order. Put it back in, put the small wire back on, slide it up there, put it back in the hole, tighten those bolts up. Don't know the torque spec. I just went with good and tight. And then squeeze back in there, put the big wire back on, tighten up the nut. Don't forget, plug this back in, and you're done. Alright, catch you guys later.